Most ambitious animations risk feeling disjointed and mechanical. Yet, it's a common misconception that timing charts are only about timing. In reality, they also embody the spacing between frames, a distinction that is crucial for animators to recognize. Understanding this layered complexity empowers creators to produce animations that resonate with viewers, ensuring every movement is intentional and impactful. Achieving smooth animation hinges on the consistent spacing of key poses and in-betweens along the timeline. The relationship between frames must align perfectly with the intended motion, ultimately guiding viewers through the narrative of the animation with an effortless grace. Enter the use of curved lines in timing charts, a visual language that communicates equal spacing among collaborators. This technique minimizes the chances of misinterpretation, ensuring that every animator aligns with the creator's vision regarding frame placements, ultimately fostering a collaborative environment where creativity thrives. Furthermore, the concept of imaginary frames plays a pivotal role in understanding how different frames relate within a sequence. This technique not only aids in achieving uniform spacing but also fosters a deeper connection between the animator and the animation, bridging the gap between vision and execution. Breakdowns emerge as essential in-betweens, illuminating the path for other movements within the animation. By denoting these frames with specific symbols, animators introduce clarity and structure, allowing for a more cohesive and fluid animation process as they navigate through their creative journey. Think of timing charts as a roadmap for animators, akin to a meticulously crafted schedule or list. They empower creators to follow a structured approach. Streak allows animations to gradually accelerate, enhancing the fluidity of movements between key poses. Such subtleties make a significant difference, transforming a good animation into a remarkable visual experience. Similarly, easing out provides a deceleration effect that breathes life into animations, making them feel significantly more natural. This process requires careful consideration of frame dependencies, ensuring every animated moment is accurately represented and truly resonates with the audience. Camera movements, often overlooked, wield a significant influence on both character and scene dynamics. By incorporating these movements thoughtfully, animators can elevate the overall quality of their work, adding depth and texture that captivates viewers and enriches storytelling. Within the realm of animation, key poses stand as the cornerstones of character movement during critical moments. Grasping the intricate relationships between these poses enables animators to craft fluid animations that not only tell stories but also evoke emotions within the audience. Moreover, timing charts play a vital role in managing multiple key poses, ensuring a cohesive sequence within the animation timeline. They provide a guiding framework that illuminates the path forward for animators, clarifying which frames deserve focus next, and maintaining the pulse of the project. Additionally, the incorporation of breakdowns in animation notes allows for fine-tuning specific movements, like foot placement. This attention to detail not only enhances realism but also injects character into the animation, showcasing the animator's dedication to their craft. Frame analysis emerges as a fundamental technique in this artistic journey, empowering animators to determine the ideal timing for their movements. By comparing different frames, they can achieve the desired effects, allowing their storytelling to unfold with precision and grace. Throughout this narrative, viewer engagement is paramount. We encourage you to share your insights and queries, fostering a community where learning animation concepts becomes a collaborative endeavor, enriching us all in the process. Moreover, this video not only imparts knowledge but also promotes channel membership as a gateway to exclusive content. By joining, you gain access to additional resources and feedback opportunities, supporting your journey to refine your skills in the ever-evolving landscape of animation.